Yes, I'm Tanvir from my channel Tanvir Islam, and now I'm going to show how to share file using Bluetooth from laptop or PC to uh, your mobile or tab. So first of all, go to the setting, then click on devices. Okay, then you can find this interface and click send or receive file via Bluetooth. Then if you want to send file, then click send file. If you want to receive file, then click receive file. I want to send, so I click send. Then you have to choose your device. If not connected, then cancel and again click on add Bluetooth and other device. Then click Bluetooth. Then you have to open the your device Bluetooth. Okay, let me show. I open my Bluetooth. Okay, this is not clear, but I opened my Bluetooth and this is my uh, mobile name Redmi. Then I got a notification to connect. Then I click pair. Let me show what is how is the notification, and click pair. Okay, click pair, and here also you can click connect. It will be connected. Let's wait for it. This is connecting, and then done. Then click send or receive file. Then click send file. Then select your device. I recently connected with this device, and then next. Then see, this is the time of selecting your file. You can keep your file in the desktop. Then I want to send this file. Wait, this file. I am Tanvir.docs. Then next. Okay, and this has been. You will get a notification to this. See this notification. Okay, I do not know is it clear or not, but here is written that accept. Then accept it. It will be sent. Okay, then finish. And if you want to receive, the receiving process is also same but little sense. Then click receive file, and you have to send your file from your phone. And this is, you have to choose your file. Wait, let me choose my file. I want to send a audio file. First of all, you have to select your file. Okay, then click share and choose Bluetooth. Okay, I am choosing Bluetooth. Okay, sorry, I have passed in wrong side. Then I send it in Bluetooth. Then choose your laptop name or PC name. Here is your laptop or PC name. Then I choose, and you will get. Okay, I have get in my, you can see I have got it. Then finish. By thus you can receive file. Okay, and this is saved, and the file will be saved as the name. Let me search my file name as my BOICA. This is the file. You can open file location, and this is the file. Default location is this. Okay, I received this file. I do not need this file, that's why I delete this file. So this is the video. If you have any question about this video, then don't shy to ask me any question about this video, and you can suggest me anything to make video. So this is the video. I think you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel to grow up more. Thank you very much.